Morning Facebook, it's Machine Monday. I'm RJ, I'm an account manager here for Factory Cleaning Equipment, Mooresville, North Carolina. Today we're going to cover FactoryCat's Model 34 sweeper. This was their original piece of equipment that they started the company on. Just a very simple, heavy-duty, robust walk-behind sweeper. FactoryCat's claim to fame is one making an ultra heavy duty overbuilt piece of equipment that is very budget friendly, as well as keeping it very simple. As we can see here, the machines ran off of a single 12-volt battery. There's one large sealed motor here that's doing the majority of the work for the main broom, the propelling system of the machine, as well as moving our big air mover. So this isn't a vac motor like most machines use. The air mover here allows the machine to move way more CFM than a standard vac motor, which helps us keep the dust down when we're sweeping with this unit. The Model 34 is the name of the machine is because it's a 34-inch sweep path. I think it's a 26-inch main broom and then a 8-inch side broom. A lot of people confuse what the side broom is really designed for. So the broom here is not designed to make the actual sweeping width of the machine wider, but it is designed to be used on corners and edges. So people will ask us why this machine doesn't have dual side brooms, and well, the reason is because you can't really use the side broom on an edge on both sides of the machine. So when I'm sweeping with the Model 34, if I'm going to come up to an edge and clean, if this machine was equipped with dual side brooms, the left-hand side broom wouldn't be doing a whole lot. So there's no vacuum system attached to the side broom here. There is a vacuum system for the main broom. So don't confuse the side broom for adding sweeping width to your sweepers. It's just for detail and edge cleaning for areas where the main broom can't get to. The Model 34 is a direct throw sweeper, meaning that the broom spins clockwise and pushes the dirt directly into our debris tray or our hopper, where a lot of sweepers will be an overthrow system. So the broom will spin counterclockwise this way and have to throw the debris up and over into a basket behind the broom. So imagine on this machine, our main broom is behind the hopper. On an overthrow system, it would sit behind the hopper and the debris would have to make its way up and over into the debris tray. This debris tray is made of steel. They offer it in an aluminum option as well to keep the weight down. And then they also offer this compartment in 3 separate bins here, so we can keep the weight down as well if we have a female operator or someone that wouldn't be able to lift and empty the all steel hopper. To put this hopper back in the machine, you simply look at these 2 little tracks, slide each edge, and then you put it back in the machine. Slide this back out and we'll go back into this compartment. So most sweepers have what we call a panel filter. So this sweeper, the Model 34, has a baghouse style filter. So there's all these envelopes that shoot down into the compartment down here where all the dust is created. And the reason we use a baghouse filter instead of a panel filter for this machine is because it just creates a whole lot more surface area on the filter. The more surface area we have on our dust filter, the better it's going to control the dust, the more dust we're able to control, simply because we have more space for that dust to go. Some of our competitors will use a flat panel filter that will only have whatever that surface area is, a 1x2 surface area for that dust, and that panel filter will need to be replaced early and often. It's a way to get some aftermarket money. It's a consumable. With the baghouse filter on the FactoryCat, as long as it's maintained correctly, by one, shaking the filter out after each use, and then maybe quarterly removing the filter from the machine and spraying it down with an air hose, or vacuuming out with a shop vac, or washing it down with water, that filter should last the lifetime of the machine. You should never have to replace it unless it got wet with concrete, dust, and water, and it was damaged. So that is one of the most important things to consider when you are buying a walk-behind sweeper. With this unit, as long as this is maintained correctly, we shouldn't have to replace the baghouse filter. The second thing we're going to look at is this machine comes standard with an onboard charger, so it just plugs directly into a 110. This automatic charger is set to charge this 12-volt deep cycle battery automatically. Once the battery is charged, the charger will shut off, and you can unplug it in the morning and you're ready to go. Taking a look back in here, everything is built on either stainless steel or steel linkage, so there's not a whole bunch of motors or cables or anything like that you'll have to worry about replacing in the long run. Again, going back to FactoryCat's claim to fame, just very heavy duty, overbuilt, not overpriced pieces of equipment. Let's talk about some of the applications that the machine would be best in. We sell these machines to a lot of facilities dealing with wood manufacturing for sawdust, metal manufacturing for shot or welding dust, foundries, lumber yards, horse stables for the area where the horses are coming in and out of their stables and there's a bunch of hay and debris on the floor. Airports for runways or hangars. Let's see, the machine is capable of being equipped with a carpet care package, so you can use it in large expo centers or schools where there's a lot of carpet, or airports. Really versatile piece of equipment. We can change up broom types, the type of fibers that the broom's made up of, for each and any application that you see fit. Coming back over here, we're going to take a look at this little QR code and what it does for our customers when we sell a machine. So we're going to scan this little QR code on the back of the machine, and what it does, it doesn't just send us to FactoryCat's website. It sends us to a website designed for this serial number machine. You'll see the first two pieces of information they provide are your consumables, your main broom part number and your side broom part number. But if you needed an operator's manual, you have it right here mobily on your phone, and any of your operators can access it. But if your maintenance team wanted to get a preventative maintenance checklist, they can download it right here on their phone. And then they can go through all the information FactoryCat provides on how to correctly maintain the Model 34 sweeper. FactoryCat is made in Racine, Wisconsin. The brand takes a lot of pride in the fact that these pieces of equipment are all American made, down to the nuts, bolts, fasteners, the whole 9 yards. Each machine is hand assembled out there in Racine. They take a lot of pride in the quality of the piece of equipment that leaves the plant. Each machine is tested thoroughly for roughly an hour or so. If you have any questions about the Model 34 or a FactoryCat piece of equipment in general, leave it in the comments below. Be sure to like our page and subscribe so you get a notification each time we do a Machine Monday video. Give us a call if you've got any questions on the piece of equipment. Thank you very much.